Forgive me, I have called, but we're gonna make a video. Hey guys, my name is Vishali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about why you should not try to fit in a man's expectation. Let's get into the video. Men will see your body, see your hair, see your face, see your beauty, see your family, even your color. And still, if you dare to see his bank balance, you are a gold digger. Men's expectations are so high that they want like a girl who is good in a character, who have a beauty, who is intelligent, smart, and a girl who stay behind, don't talk too much, who is very sharp, who have a good IQ. She also looks good, and she should also should have good social image. But if you even ask one thing to men, no matter what the thing is, just leave money. You can say anything. Like if you say that I need a man who looks good, if you just say this, then you are a bad woman. This girl or this woman always go for the looks. She doesn't care for the true love. All she need is looks and money. And if we talk about money, men will men are so simple. If you look ugly in their eyes, they will simply reject you. No further argument. I'm sorry, I don't think you're pretty enough for me, so we can't date or can't see each other anymore. But if you say that I'm sorry, you don't have enough money for me, we can't be together anymore, you can't take care of my expenses, the next day you are the evil and the gold digger women in the town. This is the biggest reason you should never try to fit in a man's expectation. Because if someone is rejecting you by saying that you are not pretty enough, and you are taking that line so seriously, you will be so drained, right? And you will feel like that I'm not pretty enough for anyone. But it is not all that. You need to understand that it is not always about beauty. The beauty is not only on the face. The beauty is inside you. How you treat people, how you talk to people, how you behave, how you talk, everything. It's not on the face. If someone says you are not pretty enough, it's because they haven't seen the prettiest thing inside you. So it's not your fault, it's their fault. They are blind, they can't see the good inside you. And you should never ever let anyone judge the beauty inside you. You should never give someone else the ability to make you feel bad about yourself. Never. Because you know how good you are, how pretty, how intelligent you are. So if someone is just saying a one line to you, it doesn't describe you. And you need to stop chasing outside validation, right? Otherwise you won't be able to grow confidence inside you. If you are seeking outside validation, that means you are not confident enough. You are not confident about your health, your beauty, your body, nothing. You are not confident about anything. And you should be the person who is so confident about everything. You should be so confident about the person you are, because you know all the good things about you. And that is the only way you can feel so confident. You can only feel motivated when you tell yourself that I can do that. If someone is saying that you can't do that or you can do that, it won't motivate you at all. So you need to stop listening to other people, what who you are in your life, and what you can or what you can't do in your life. You are the only person who can motivate yourself, who can tell yourself what you can do, and who can tell you that you worthy. And the only way of happiness is when you focus on yourself and don't listen to the outside world. This is the only way how you can stay happy and how you can love yourself. When you only listen to yourself and you only focus on yourself and you only things which is good for you, and you don't give a shit to the people's opinion and stop seeking other people's validation. You should have that much of respect inside you that if someone tells you that you are not pretty enough, you should feel like that person is a loss. If someone is losing you, it's their loss. Literally, it's their loss. If someone is losing you and trying to find bad things in, bad qualities inside you, then it's their fault, it's their bad. It's nothing to do with you. You are the prettiest, hottest, smartest and intelligent person, and if someone can't have you, it's their bad. You should be so much, inspired by your potential, and never try to fit in someone else's expectations, because you can never fulfill anyone else's expectation. If someone have to do wrong to you and all they see wrong about you, no matter how good you are to them, no matter how much you try to put efforts, these people only will find bad things about you. So you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is focus on yourself and try to become a better person every next day. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye. Bye.